Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today our topic is cuboid in mensuration 2. The 3D dimension of a rectangle is the cuboid. This is the length, this is the height and this is the base. Volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height. Diagonal is root of length square plus breadth square plus height square. Lateral surface area is perimeter into h, that is 2 into L plus B into h. Total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. First question, the area of a playground is 5600 meter square. Find the cost of covering it with gravel 1 centimeter deep if gravel costs rupees 2.80 per meter cube. Now volume of the gravel required is 5600 into 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter means 1 by 100 meter. Zeros gets cancelled, that is 56 meter cube of gravel is required. The cost of graveling is 56 meter cube into 2.80 rupees. On multiplication we get 156.80 rupees is required to gravel the ground. Now let us see in our point. The number of smaller structures that can be formed from a bigger structure is n. N is volume of bigger structure by volume of smaller structure. Second question is, how many lead shots each of 0.3 meter in diameter can be made from a cuboid of dimensions 9 centimeters by 11 centimeters by 12 centimeters. Here the smaller structure is a lead shot and the bigger structure is a cuboid. Number of lead shot is equal to volume of the cuboid by volume of one lead shot. Volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height. Volume of the sphere is 1 by 6 pi d cube. 1 by 6 into 22 by 7. Here diameter is 0.3. So 0.3 whole cube. 11 ones, 11 twos, 2 ones and 2 threes. We get 9 into 12 into this 7 goes to the numerator by 0.09, which is equal to 1000 into 84, which is 84,000 lead shots are required. Question number 3. A tank of 3 meters long, 2 meters wide and 1.5 meters deep is dug in a field of 22 meters long and 14 meters wide. If earth dug out is evenly spread over the field, the level of field will rise by nearly. Volume of the earth dug out is 3 into 2 into 1.5, that is length into breadth into height. We get this as 9 meters square. Area over which the earth is spread is total area of the field minus the tank area. Area of the field is length into breadth, that is 22 into 15 minus area of the tank is 3 into 2. We get this as 302 meter square. Increasing level is volume of the earth dug out by area over which it is spread, that is 9 by 302. To convert this into centimeters, we should multiply with 100. On calculating, we get 2.98 centimeters is the increase in level. Question number 4. Find the weight to the nearest kg of an iron rod of square section 10 centimeters long and 2.3 centimeters broad. A cubic centimeter of iron weighs 7.202 grams. Weight is volume into density. The volume is 10. To convert this into meters to centimeters, we should multiply with 100. And it is a square section. So 2.3 into 2.3 into density is 7.207. But we should find it to the nearest kg. So we should divide by 1000 to convert it into kg. Here zeros get cancelled. 2.3 whole square into 7.207, which is equal to 38.125 kg. To the nearest kg, we can keep this as 38 kg. Note, volume is equal to root of A1 into A2 into A3. A1 is the area of the top or base. A2 is area of one side face. A3 is area of other side face. Fifth question, area of base of a cuboid is 9 meters square. Area of the side face and the other side face is 16 meters square and 25 meters square. Find the volume of the cuboid. Volume is equal to root of A1, A2, A3. A1 is 9, A2 is 16. A1 is 9, A2 is 16 and A3 is 25. Root of 9 is 3, root of 16 is 4 and root of 25 is 5. On multiplication we get 60 cubic meter. Question number 6. The area of cardboard needed to make a box of size 25 centimeters into 15 centimeters into 8 centimeters will be. Here the area needed will be the total surface area. The total surface area formula is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. On multiplication, 375 plus 120 plus 200 into 2, which is equal to 1790 centimeters square. Seventh question. A closed wooden box measures externally 45 centimeters long, 35 centimeters broad and 30 centimeters high. If thickness of the wood is 1 by 2 centimeters, find the cost of painting the box inside the rate of rupees 2 per decimeter square. In this question, we should first know the internal surface area of the box. To know this, we should know the internal measurements. Internal length is 45 minus 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 40. And internal breadth is 35 minus 5, which is equal to 30. Internal height is 30 minus 5, which is equal to 25 centimeters. Now the internal surface area is substituting the values 2 into 40 into 30 plus 30 into 25 plus 25 into 40. This is 5900 centimeters square is the internal surface area. Cost of painting is 5900 into 2, as this is in decimeter, divided by 10 into 10. 59 into 2 is rupees 118 is the cost of painting. Question number 8. The length of the longest rod that can be placed in a room of dimensions 30 meters long, 24 meters broad and 18 meters high is. Let us use the above formula. Now the length of the longest rod is the diagonal. D is equal to length square is 30 square, 24 square plus 18 square. 30 square is 900 plus 24 square is 576 plus 18 square is 324. On adding all these values, we get a root of 1800, which is equal to 30 root 2 meters is the diagonal of the room. Question number 9. The sum of length, breadth and height of a cuboid is 24 centimeters. Its diagonal is 15 centimeters long. Find the total surface area. From the above formula, total surface area is equal to sum of all three sides. That is, all three sides sum is 25 square minus the diagonal square, that is 15 square. 25 square is 625 minus 15 square is 225. 625 minus 225 is 400 centimeters square is the total surface area. 10th question. A school room is to be built to accommodate 70 children so as to allow 2.2 meters square of floor and 11 cubic meter of space for each child. If the room be 14 meters long, what is the breadth and height of the room? Area of the room is length into breadth. The length is 14 and breadth is we don't know. So 14 into B is equal to, there are 70 children and space provided is 2.2 meters square. That is 70 into 2.2. From 10 times 2 times 1.1. From this we get B is equal to 11 meters, that is breadth of the room. Now volume of the room is length into breadth into height. The length is 14 and breadth we got it as 11. We don't know the height, keep it as H. Now volume of the room is, number of children is 70 and the space provided for each child is 11 cubic meter. On cancellation, 11 and 11 get 7 10 times and 7 2 times. From this we get H is equal to 5. That is, height of the room is 5 meters. Question number 11. A wooden box of 20 centimeters into 12 centimeters into 10 centimeters. It has 1 centimeters thickness. Find the volume of the wood to make the box. Volume of the wood is outer volume minus inner volume. Outer volume is 20 into 10 into 12. Inner volume is 18 into 8 into 10. That is, we should subtract 2 from each dimension. We get this as 2400 minus 1440. So the volume of the wood is 960 centimeter cube. 12th question. A river 10 meters deep and 200 meters wide is flowing at the rate of 1 by 2 kilometers per hour. Find the volume of the water run into the sea per second. Now the speed of the river is 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2 kilometers per hour is given. To convert this into meters per second, 9 by 2 must be multiplied by 5 by 18. We get this as 5 by 4 meters per second. Now the volume of water run into the sea per second is 10 meters deep, that is 10 into 200 meters wide, 200 into 5 by 4 meters per second. So 5 by 4. On cancellation, we get this as 2500 meter cube. 13th question. A pool is 24 meters long and 15 meters broad. When a number of men dive into the pool, the height of the pool rises by 1 centimeter. If average amount of water displaced by one man is 0.1 meter cube, how many men are there in the pool? Let the number of men be n. Now the volume is equal to 24 into 15 into 1 centimeter is raised 1 centimeter is raised when the men are into the pool. So 1 centimeter can be written as 0.01 meters. That is equal to number of men is n in 0.1 meter cube is the amount of water displaced by 1 man. So n is equal to 24 into 15 into 0.01 by 0.1. n is equal to 360 into 0.1. This can be written as n is equal to total 36 men are into the pool. 14th question. A rectangular tank is 50 meters long, 29 meters deep. If 1000 meter cube of water is drawn off from the tank, the level of water goes down by 2 meters. What is the capacity of the tank? For 1000 meter cube of water, the volume of the tank is 1000 is equal to 50 is the length, we don't know the breadth, and height is 2 meters is gone down when water is taken out. So the height is 2. Now the breadth is equal to 10 meters. We should now find the capacity of the tank. So the capacity of the tank is length into breadth into height. Length is 50, breadth is 10 and height is 29 meters. 50 into 10 is 500. 500 into 29 is 14,500 cubic meter is the capacity of the tank. Question number 15. How many bricks of 25 centimeters into 11.25 centimeters into 6 centimeters will be needed to build a wall of 8 meters into 6 meters into 22.5 meters? Number of bricks is equal to volume of wall by volume of the brick. As the dimensions of the wall in meters and the dimensions of the brick is in centimeters, converting the 8 meters to 800 centimeters into 600 centimeters into 2250 centimeters by 11.25 into 6 into 25. Here 6 and 6 get cancelled once and 4 times. We get this as 800 into 4 into 2250 by 11.25. On cancellation we get 6400 bricks are required. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Press bell icon to get notified.